Investigating Temperature Changes, Polystyrene Cup Experiment by KayScience.com. An exothermic chemical reaction causes the temperature of the surroundings to increase, whereas an endothermic chemical reaction causes the temperature of the surroundings to decrease. Here's a thermometer which is used to measure the temperature, and in an exothermic reaction, this thermometer measures how the temperature of the surroundings increases. The temperature of the surroundings increases because more energy is released compared to less energy being taken in from the surroundings. Whereas in an endothermic reaction, the thermometer shows how the temperature of the surroundings decreases. This is because less energy is released into the surroundings and more energy is taken in from the surroundings. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. We can use a beaker and a polystyrene cup to investigate temperature changes in a chemical reaction. So this beaker is used to support the polystyrene cup, and a layer of air is also trapped in between the polystyrene cup and the beaker, which helps to reduce the rate of energy transfer as the chemical reaction takes place. We then place the thermometer inside the beaker with the reacting mixture, and the job of the thermometer is to measure the temperature change. The thermometer goes inside the reactants, and it's really important to immediately place on a lid, as a lid also helps to reduce the rate of energy transfer, so the temperature change is more accurate. So the thermometer measures the starting temperature, and in this example, it is 10 degrees Celsius. So if it's an exothermic reaction, the thermometer will show how the temperature has increased. We then measure the final temperature, and in this example, it is 30 degrees Celsius. So 30 take away 10 shows how there has been a 20 degrees Celsius increase, which means this is an exothermic chemical reaction. Now let's say in a different chemical reaction, the thermometer shows how the temperature decreases. We measure the final temperature, and in this example, it's 4 degrees Celsius. So 10 take away 4 equals a 6 degrees Celsius decrease. So this is an endothermic chemical reaction as the temperature of the surroundings has decreased. So remember, this trapped air decreases the rate of energy transfer as it offers an extra layer of insulation. And the polystyrene cup and lid provides insulation which decreases the rate of energy transfer as well. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.